Time travelers, it's Ty and welcome back to Catch Up Time. Have you ever struggled with giving yourself a salon style blowout at home? This video is for you. Today we are diving into the Revlon One Step Round Brush Blow Dryer. Can it really smooth, volumize, and style all in one go? Let's find out. Before we get started, I'm working with freshly washed, towel dried hair. I apply a leave-in conditioner, Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother. It's designed to control frizz for up to 72 hours, moisturize, and smooth hair without compromising its texture. I use a dime-size amount for both the left and right side of my head. This part is important. You want to make sure you are working the product on your hair shaft and ends and not on your scalp. Wide tooth comb, 4 clips. I always section my hair into 4 parts. This makes it easier to manage. I was watching Abbott Elementary while doing my hair, the episode about the library. I'm screaming. Here's a 360 of what it should look like after you section your hair into 4 parts. I apply a heat protectant, Silk Elements Mega Silk Olive. It's suitable for frizzy hair types, alcohol free, which helps in moisturizing and conditioning the hair without making it too heavy. I appreciate its ability to leave the hair soft, silky, and shiny while protecting it from heat damage. We do not play with heat damage over here. Please spray about 4 or 5 pumps per section. It is important that you spray your hair, ends, and avoid near the scalp. Then you want to make sure you work the product into your hair. I start in the back and work my way forward. Detangle thoroughly so your round brush glides through easily. Comb hair from ends to root to minimize breakage. The key here is to let the brush sit at the roots for a few seconds to build volume, then slowly pull it through the ends. It gets pretty hot, so be careful near your scalp. Look at that smooth, shiny, and no round brush wrestling match. Can we take a moment for this transition? My hair feels soft, looks polished, and has that fresh salon blowout bounce. And it took me under 30 minutes. So let's break it down. Pros: fast, user-friendly, great for volume and shine. Cons: it can get a little hot, not gonna lie, and not ideal for soaking wet hair. If you have been on the fence about trying the Revlon One Step, I say give it a go, especially if you love that bouncy, effortless look without the arm workout. Perfect for busy mornings or lazy glam days. Let me know in the comments if you tried this tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a moment here on Catch Up Time. Until next time, stay glowing, stay flowing, and take care of you. Bye!